Hey, hi. So, this is my review of the BadBoy program. So, I would recommend this program to anyone who needs to change his mindset, tune into his masculine energy, and improve his dating game. I can vouch for this because they start by assessing your attachment style, and based on your attachment style and your belief systems and your thinking patterns, they provide you with audios, and those audios is where the real magic is, because once you regularly start following and listening to these audios, you will find that your belief system changes. You feel a sense of calm in your mind, and a bit of positivity, and that changes your attitude, and that in turn magically changes your dating game. Since I've been in this program since January, so it's like almost 5 months, and since those audios started to kick in, I could not count the number of dates that I've been on, and the my texting game has also changed. It has improved. I'm able to convert girls from dating apps or social media platforms to real life dates. Veer is always there for you. Any doubt or any question you have regarding dating or your mindset or your belief systems, he's always there to guide you. You can always schedule a call with him or text the doubt. There is a lot of support provided to you, so that you're not just on your own, and you know that somebody always has your back in the game. Another important thing is they also guide you with nutrition and exercises or workouts, which, when combined with those audios and certain practices or meditative practices, will boost your ability to a height which you can't imagine. So I would highly recommend this to anyone. Thank you.